Hello guys, today we will discuss the previous topic life insurance, what it is, how it works and how to buy a policy. Today we will discuss terms versus permanent life insurance. Term life insurance differ from permanent life insurance in several ways but tends to best meet the needs of most people looking for affordable life insurance coverage. Term life insurance only lasts for a set period of time and pays a death benefit should the policyholder die before the term has expired. Permanent life insurance stays in effect as long as the policyholder pays the premium. Another critical difference involves premiums. Term life is generally much less expensive than permanent life because it does not involve building a cash value. Before you apply for life insurance, you should analyze your financial situation and determine how much money would be required to maintain your beneficiaries. Standard beneficiaries standard for of living or meet the need for which you are purchasing a policy. Also consider how long you will need coverage for. For example, if you are the primary caretaker and have children 2 and 4 years old, you would want enough insurance to cover your custodial responsibilities until your children are grown up and are able to support themselves. You might research the cost of hiring a nanny and a housekeeper or using commercial child care and cleaning services. Then perhaps add money for education. Include any outstanding mortgage and retirement needs for your spouse in your life insurance calculation, especially if the spouse earns significantly less or is a stay at home parent. Add, add up what these costs would be over the next 16 or so years. Add more for inflation, and that's the death benefit you might want to buy if you can afford it. Burial or final expenses insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that has a small death benefit. Despite the name, beneficiaries can use the death benefits as they wishes. What affects your life insurance premium cost? Many factors can affect the cost of life insurance premium. Certain things may be beyond your control, but other criteria can be managed to potentially bring down the cost. Before and even after applying, your health and age are the most important factors that determine cost. So, buying life insurance as soon as you need it is often the best course of action. After being approved for an insurance policy, if your health has improved and you have made positive lifestyle changes, you can request to be considered for a change in risk class. Even it is found that you are in poorer health than at the initial underwriting, your premiums will not go up. If you are found to be in better health, then your premiums may decrease. You may also be able to buy additional coverage at a lower rate than you initially did. Life insurance buying guide. Step 1. Determine how much you need. Step 2. Prepare your application. And step 3. Compare policy quotes. Now we will discuss determine how much you need. Think about what expenses would need to be covered in the event of your death. Things like mortgage, college tuition, and other debts, not to mention funeral expenses. Plus, income replacement is a major factor if your spouse or loved ones need cash flow and are not able to provide it on their own. There are helpful tools online to calculate the lump sum that can satisfy any potential expenses that would need to be covered. Prepare your application. Life insurance application generally requires personal and family medical history and beneficiary information. You may need to take a medical exam and you will need to disclose any pre-existing medical condition, history of violation, DUIs and any dangerous hobbies such as auto racing or skydiving. The following are crucial element of most life insurance application that depends upon age, gender, smoking factor, health factors, and lifestyles, family medical history, driving record. Standard form of identification will also be needed before a policy can be written, such as your social security card, driver's license, or US passport. Compare your policy codes. When you have assembled all of your necessary information, you can gather multiple life insurance quotes from different providers based on your research. Prices can be different markedly from company to company, so it is important to take the effort to find the best combination of policy, company rating, and premium cost, because life insurance is something you will likely pay monthly for decades. It can save an enormous amount of money to find the best policy to fit